Imagine finding a coin like this, later spending it, all to find out that that coin sold for $66,000 just like this one did. Here's the reality. If you come across a coin like this, you're going to need to get it certified by a third-party company like ECGS or NGC to make sure that the coin is indeed authentic. There are people out there that will see a video like this, see how much the coin sold for, and they will try to manipulate coins to make them appear to be this sort of error. That is where the trust of a third party will come into hand, and pretty much you're going to be unable to sell a coin if you find one like this unless it's certified. So why did this coin sell for $66,000? If you're looking at the front of the coin, you can see that the color is a bit different than we're used to seeing. That is called toning or oxidation. It happens where the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin. It all really comes down to where you store your coin, and this can either be a good or a bad thing when it comes to the value of your coin based on how the eye appeal is off that coin, which just means how good does the coin look. But the main reason why it sold for $66,000 is because this coin was accidentally muled with a South Carolina 25-cent statehood quarter. That's right, guys. So there are people out there that will try to shave coins down and stick them together to make them look like this, but that's a very challenging thing to do, and it will not get past a third-party company like NGC or PCGS. This is what this South Carolina quarter typically will look like on the front and the back, but if you come across a coin like this, you've hit the jackpot because again, this coin sold for $66,000. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.